My dear students, a hearty welcome to you to English grammar class. Today's topic is preposition. Exercise is filling the blanks using preposition. It's a 1 mark question again for your examination, and in your lower classes you studied in detail the meaning of preposition, what work does it do in a sentence, right? So in a sentence I used, right? In a sentence you can identify preposition in. So it actually tells you the relationship between two nouns or two pronouns in a sentence. There is a duster on the table. See, there is a duster, one noun, on the table, on preposition, table again noun. So it connects, it joins or tells you the relationship between the one noun and another noun. The name itself suggests a preposition. Don't pronounce it as a preposition, it's preposition. So preposition, position, say position, place of the thing or noun, where it is the place. So using this preposition we have to fill up. Here clues are not given, you won't find any words in brackets, but you have to understand the structure of the sentence. Based on that you have to do the exercise. So the first exercise is here for you. The Americans, I shall divide the word. The Americans bought trees dash the descendants 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 of Anselmo. The Americans purchased trees dash descendants of Anselmo. Descendants means successors. So what is the preposition to be filled? Purchased or bought dash, bought from. Not trees from the descendants. Second one says Dr. Ambedkar was talented dash the field of law. Dash Dr. Ambedkar was talented dash the field of law. What's the preposition? On, in, but what is it? It is in the field of law. Next one. The tiger was shot by me. Shoot present tense, shot past tense. Shot by me. Dash my new gun. Dash my new gun. Say, the tiger was shot by me. Dash my new gun. On my new gun. In my new gun. With my new gun. Into my new gun. What is it? It is with. So, with my new gun. Next one. The fourth one is he came dash the room. He came dash the room. What is it? He came dash the room. If somebody comes in, what do you say? He came in the room, can we say? That won't be so appropriate. He was in the room is correct. Somebody coming to your room is different. So, he came into the room. It is. Came into the room. Fifth one. The ship sailed dash the Atlantic. The ship sailed dash the Atlantic. Yes, tell me. From this side of the Atlantic to that side of the Atlantic. From one seashore to another. What do you call it? Bridge, for example, built from one side of the water body to another, one side of the river to another. What do you call? How do you describe it with the preposition? Can we say into? Ship into? No. It is across. A-C-R-O-S-S. Across. Even for bridge it is used. The same preposition is used, across. Next one. Sixth one. Tipu fight present tense fought dash his enemy. What is this? Tipu Sultan, our 10th standard student, study about him. Anglo-Mysore. Tipu fought dash his enemy. What? In his enemy? No. With his enemy? Tipu fighting with the enemy. With the enemy refers to you are joining the enemy side. Then, what is the proposition to be used? Tipu fought against. A-G-A-I-N-S-T. Tipu fought against his enemy. He was on the other side of the enemy, not on enemy's side. So, it is against. Next. Seventh one. You must return dash sunset. Sometimes parents instruct you while you go to play. You must return dash sunset. What is it? I will give you two options, before or after. Before sunset or after sunset. Do they expect you to come after the sunset? No. It is you must return before sunset. Next, right here. The eighth one, which says, the house was dash the river. The house was dash the river. Now can you say across? So just now you said across. Across means from one side to the other. House cannot be like that, from one side to the other. House is smaller, you know. So the house was dash the river. What do you say? In the river? Outside the river? Behind the river, can you say? No. The house was beside the river. The house was beside the river. Beside means at the side of the river. right? On the banks of the river, so to say. Next, ninth one, which says, they were, this is from the lesson itself, they were crossing a rickety bridge dash dash some rapids. You know the lesson. They were crossing a rickety bridge dash some rapids. Can I say on some rapids? If I say on some rapids, it's wrong, because they are standing directly on the rapids. Is it possible? It is flowing water. They cannot. What should be? Into the rapids? No. No chance. So, it is over. Over. Not on exactly, over the rapid. Crossing it over the rapid. Next one. That is the 10th one, which says, Geeta gets up dash 5 a.m. every morning. Geeta gets up dash 5 a.m. every morning. What is it? When time comes, what is the preposition to be used for time? Our school leaves dash 4 o'clock. Our school begins dash 4 o'clock. The school day program is dash 4 o'clock. What is it? So, answer is yes. It is at 5 a.m. Remember, when it is time, preposition is always at. At means particular. Next, 11th one. We will meet dash the class. We will meet dash the class. The previous exercise was you must return before sunset. Here we will meet dash the class. Dash refers to after the class. Next one. These exercises are very important from the point of view of your grammar knowledge as well as examination. So, use them properly. We will discuss dash it later. We will discuss dash it later. Discuss what? Discuss something. We shall discuss dash. That is, discuss always about. Discuss about later. Next. Crew. Crew refers to all members working on a ship or in an aeroplane. It is not crew, it is crew. Crew, crowded, dash, a cabin, and prayed. Recall from which poem it is. Crew crowded, dash, a cabin, and prayed. There was a cabin and the crew members. It is in a cabin and prayed. Another exercise. that is 14. For a moment, Satish stared the bird. Stared dash the bird. What is the preposition here? Yes, as you heard, it is for a moment Satish stared at the bird. Always staring at the bird, right? Here, see the word, it's moment. Another word is movement. It's movement. For example, Quit India movement. This is moment, point of time, moment. So, next, 15th says, they are very fond dash sweets. They are very fond dash sweets. Fond refers to liking. It's their favorite. Fond dash sweets. It is fond of. Children are fond of sweets. Children are fond of chocolates, ice creams, stories, and so on. Next. Number 16. 16th says, the pilot blamed his colleague or co-worker, colleague, colleague dash losing their way. The pilot of the plane accused his colleague dash losing their way. They lost their way on the sky. They were unable to find the aerodrome. What is it? Colleague. It is for losing their way. So I have completed 16 such exercises. 5 more are there on my sheet, which are for homework. You will receive them on WhatsApp. So complete all the exercises properly and observe them. You have to score full marks in grammar, because I always notice that our students lose marks in grammar due to carelessness, or they don't study it well. That's why. So let it not happen now this year. So let your focus be on grammar part also and lesson part also. With this, I end up my today's class. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day.